哎，怎么还不来啊？
因为今天只有一个平台直播。渔网。
哎。怎么今天也没加班订餐？哦，来了，说走的。
刚开始接龙吗？这是几点接的龙？
刚开始啊，我刚说完有人发了，俺得参与，俺得这个。先介绍我再说。
请开始你的表演。
嗯？
请开始你的表演。
这就开始了。
开始了，已经开始了。
等爱丽丝上厕所了，看着，等他。Stainless steel. Welcome everybody. My name is Matt, and I'm glad to meet you here. This is my partner, Alice, but she will later to here. Hello everyone, welcome to our live streaming. This is Matt from China. First, let's have a look at our company. Our company is the professional steel supplier from China. We supply various kinds of steel profiles, steel section, and stainless steel products. We can provide customers service. Competitors prices, good quality control, and process advance. Service invite domestic and foreign merchants to visit. Now, let my partner Alex tell you about the stainless steel products that we are going to talk about.
坐近点，看不见，看不见你。
我多。
可以了。
坐近。
我多。
凳子已经靠上了。
Now that you have a greater idea of our company, let's have a look at the products. We are going to show you. I will show you packets of great products. In the next time, now follow me and let's begin. Firstly, I will start with some general information on the stainless steel. Stainless steel it is widely used because of its corrosion and heat resistance and high temperatures. Other oxidation resistance is polish, wettable and foldable. That makes it a durable material in many industries, such as food industry, formal research industry, architectural documentation, home application, car crashes, and active industries. Product material. According to the completions, it can be divided into 5 series. Communion series, Communion nickel series, Communion manager nickel series, resistant Communion only steel, and perception handling steel.读不了啊。
你咋跟我猜的？
我是他们通常的等级。Next, let my partner Alice introduce the product grades.
Okay, thank you. Just now my partner Matt show you about our stainless steel. About the materials, okay, you can say there are so many grades, such as the 201 or the 304 or 316. These are the normal grade. So next is about the common grade introduction. Okay, the first one is 201. 201 is the poor corrosion resistance widely used as cheap substitute for 300 series in China, with the characteristics of polishing, no bumbles, and no pinholes. It is a high quality material for the production of various watch cases and strap bottom covers. Yes, and next is about our 304. Yeah, okay, this one. 304 is for the food industries or others. Yeah, it is better than 200 series.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The second one is 304. It is the most commonly used. Products such as corrosion resistance containers, medical equipment, and tableware, furniture, and railings. So the standard composition is 18% chromium plus 8% nickel. Chinese grade is 0 CR 18 Ni 9. Yes. And the next one is our 316. It is better than 304. Yeah, it is better than 304. Why? Because
今天订什么吃呀？我要不要接吧？
这样吧，待会儿吃没饭稍微饿了晚上就。
it has more It has more. I think it has more chromium and nickel. Do you think so?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Yes, it is to make it have a special structure resistance to corrosion. So it is also more expensive.
Yes.
Yeah. It's about the 316. And next one is about the 400. 400 it is also called ferritic and pertenstic stainless steel. It has no manganese. It can replace 1304 to a certain extent. And another one is 3430. Do you think it is more expensive?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Do you know?
It have more chromium. Chromium.
Yes.
It have more chromium.
Yeah, it can be more corrosion resistant.
Yeah.
Yes, and it has other advantages. For example, hardness.
Hardness. Yeah.
Yeah, and others
Like
extension.
Yeah.
Yeah, and others maybe I think maybe it can be used for the expense.
Hard.
Yeah, hard. Yes, and others. Do you know? For example, these are normals. Others, can you say? Can you say? 6 series and 9 series. We can show.
我听不懂了。
We can show. SS 200 and SS 300 and SS 400 and others. Do you know?
Yes, like the 901, 904.
Yeah. Expensive or cheaper?
Is cheaper than the 304.
Cheaper?
Yeah.
Why?
And I don't know. It 便宜94，就是在
那不409吗
409啊409。
900系的是不是更贵？600系的我知道是很贵很贵。
610。610那1万7都有。
对，我感觉它应该是要比300、400贵。
没有贵很多。
因为我当时我报12000，然后比我弟弟的报600多，差很多。Okay, these are the normal grade. We can say. Yeah, and next is about our surface treatment.
Okay, LVR 16是的 surface treatment. There are 4 types of the surface treatment. First one is the 2B surface treatment. 2B is the matte finish of the stainless steel cold rolled surface. After cold rolling, it is heat-treated, pickled, and finished by rolling to make the surface moderately bright. Commonly used for table wine building materials. With the surface treatments that improve mechanical properties They are suitable for almost all applications. The next one is the BA surface. It is also could be print surface. A product obtained by code reading and print annealing forward by flattening. Extended surface bursts and high reflectivity, like the surface of miner. Mainly for home applications, miners, kitchen equipment, decorative materials. And the next one is the 8K. Even brighter surface like a miner. And the last one is the hairline. Code reading, picking, leaving, grinding is in stainless steel surface drawing. Straight drawing method merely used for architecture, decoration, elevators, buildings, doors, palaces, and so on. Then we will introduce the specification. Specification. For stainless steel products, we have a wide range, including coil, sheet, plate, strip, pipe, bar, and angle. We have all the specification you can find on the market. Everything can be customized, including the length, width, diameter, thickness, and all the surface policy. Okay, next, let my partner Alex introduce the stainless steel. The difference with the carbon steel is that corrosion resistance.我现在拿着别的去。
那里有吗？底下有个更大的。
我看你也看不清了这个。你接过这个，这个，你就那样。
你要不要展示一下这几个？
太会，我给我吃完饭，没事再展示。我们主要是吃完饭，能做多少，吃完这些能做多少，吃完之后开始聊展示。多少地方？
来宣传的时间就是后半段，就是半个小时到1个小时，到了1个小时嘛。
现在有人吗？
来了1个。
那这都整这些干啥呀？来一个还一起。
你越不说还没，就别讲那么快。
Unlike carbon steel, stainless steel don't suffer uniform corrosion when exposed to wet environment. Protected carbon steel rusts readily when exposed to a combination of air and moisture. The resulting iron oxide surface layer is porous and fragile. In addition, as iron oxide occupies a larger volume than the original steel, this layer expands and tends to flake and fall away, exposing the underlying steel to further attack. In composition, stainless steel curtain sufficient chromium to undergo passivation, spontaneously forming a microscopically the inert surface film of chromium oxide by reaction with the oxygen in the air and even the small amount of dissolved oxygen in the water. This passive film prevents further corrosion by blocking oxygen dispersion to the steel surface and thus prevents corrosion from spreading into the bulk of the metal. This film is self-repairing even when scratched or temporarily disturbed by an upset condition in the environment that exceeds the inherent corrosion resistance of that grade. The resistance of this film to corrosion depends upon the chemical composition of the stainless steel teflon, the chromium content. It is customary to distinguish between four forms of corrosion: uniform, localized. It is also called pitting, galvanic, and SCC. SCC is also called stress corrosion cracking. Any of these forms of corrosion can occur when the grade of stainless steel is not suited for the working environment. Yes, it is called corrosion resistance. So, the stainless steel is better than the carbon steel, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, it has the corrosion resistance. So, it is also expensive. So, the next is about the introduction to the stainless steel sheet, plate, strip, and coil. Please, Matt.
Okay. I will introduce the stainless steel sheet, plate, strap, and the coil. A stainless steel sheet plate is a typical sheet metal formed by an industrial process into thin, flat pieces. They are widely used in building construction, medical tech, decoration, home applications, automobile and air conditioning systems. In fact, the terms sheet and plate are confusing. Both of them are flat rolled metal products of some minimum thickness and width, appropriately depending on the type of metal. The thickness of stainless steel plates are commonly equal to or larger than 5 millimeter, with width larger than 250 millimeters. A stainless steel sheet has a thickness under 5 millimeter, while its width is equal to or less than 600 millimeters. The flat pieces with the flat piece with thickness under 5 millimeter, while its width is under 600 millimeter, is considered as stainless steel strip. Stainless steel sheet can be supplied in flat pieces or coil types. The stainless steel cores are formed by rolling a continuous stainless steel sheet or strap through a roll slater. Stainless steel sheet processes on treadless surface appearance and forces resistance as its main advantage. It can be welded and cut without damage is corrosion resistance. Compared with galvanized steel sheet, stainless steel sheet is very thorough, but it can still be readily worked in sheet metal workshop. 对。也是啥意思 ？Fabrication for now, these are my parameters. Alice introduced the fabrication process of stainless steel sheet plate strip.
Yeah, next is about our fabrication process. Nowadays, there are two major ways to produce stainless steel, the hot rolling and cold rolling. Yeah, the first one is about our hot rolling process for stainless steel sheet, plate, or strip. The raw material is first steeped into the electric arc furnace, is also called EAF. The heat generated by arc current melts the steel scraps inside. During this process, chromium and nickel metals are also added, though the molten steel is poured to a ladle. Then it is transferred to the argon oxygen decarburizum. It is also called AOD, converter, to reduce the carbon content. During and after the carbon removal, some other necessary alloy additions are made to fine-tune the stainless steel chemical composition. Finally, the molten steel is poured into molten continuous casing merchant. This is also called CCM, where it is cooled down by the water spray, and the stainless steel becomes solidified slabs. So, this process is very important for the stainless steel sheet, plate, and strip. As semi-finished products, stainless steel slabs should be descaled first and then be heated in the reheating furnace until they are red hot, around 1200 degrees. The roughing stand is the first step of hot rolling, where the hot slabs are rolled forwards and backwards several times to gradually form a basic shape of finished flat piece. After leaving the roughing stand, the slab are passed through the finishing stand, which is also known as the stucco mill. Except for the backwards and forward rolling, the slab 90 degrees and roll the sideways during the process. The stagger mile is a revolving mile with a heating furnace and other auxiliaries. Final, thicker stainless steel plate will be pickled, strengthened, and packaged. Stainless steel coils can be acquired after the much thinner sheet running through the rolling stator. And then, features of hot rolled stainless steel plate. The first one is hot rolled stainless steel plate. Hardness is low, easy processing, ductility is good. And second, hot rolled stainless steel plate. Strength is relatively low. Surface quality also almost, but good plasticity. Generally medium thick plate, cold rolled plate, high strength, high hardness, high surface finish. Generally thin plate can be used as stamping plate. And third one is hot rolled stainless steel plate. Medically, mechanical properties are far less than cold processing, also inferior to forging process, but has better toughness and ductility. Yes, this is the whole hot rolling process.
Okay, next I will introduce the cold rolling process for stainless steel sheet and coil. Generally, the raw material of cold rolling is hot rolled stainless steel coil. The hot rolled stainless steel coil should be first decorroded, packaged, and decycled for passing for falling section produces. Then it is fed to formers centimeters for cold rolling. In this step, the stainless steel sheet passes through a series of rolling metal stands, which squeeze the sheet to reduce its thickness in the cold states. Cold rolling kills hardening of the stainless steel. So a subsequent cold annealing and picking process is required to soften it. Falling, grinding, and placing jobs are to improve the surface quality of the sheet. Finally, cold rolled stainless steel sheet or strap runs through the slater line, forming course, which will be carefully inspected, marked, packaged, and sorted. Cold rolling is further the number one steel plate to the target thickness at room temperature. Compared with hot rolled steel plate, cold rolled steel plate thickness is more accurate, and the surface is smooth, beautiful, but also have a material of superior mechanical properties, especially machine performance. Because of the cold road original color is brittle and hard, it is not suitable for process. So the cold rolled steel plate is usually hardened to the customer after annual packing and surface leaving. The maximum thickness of cold roll is 2.1 is 0.1 to 8.0 millimeter below, such as most of factory cold rolling steel plate thickness is below 4.5 millimeter. The minimum thickness and width are determined by the equipment capital of each plant and the market damage. Then I will introduce the difference between hot rolled and cold rolled. Cold rolled stainless steel sheet has more accurate dimension tolerance than that of hot rolled. Only sticking, subsequent pickling, or destacking permit. Hot rolled stainless steel sheet comes with a rough thinner finish, while cold rolled has a thinly visited surface finish. From an economical view, the cold rolled stainless steel are more expensive than the hot rolled ones. Hot rolled has better document and maintainability, while cold rolled is harder and have more strength. So the cold rolled is expensive than the hot rolled. Next, let my partner Alice introduce the stainless steel pipes.
Yeah, just now we show the plates, sheet, and strip. And next, we will introduce our stainless steel pipe. Yeah, the pipe is primarily used in piping system for the transport of fluids or gases. We manufacture stainless steel pipe from a steel alloy containing nickel as well as chromium, which gives stainless steel its corrosion resistance properties. Stainless steel pipes resist oxidation, making it a low maintenance solution that is suitable for high temperature and chemical applications. Because it is easily cleaned and sanitized. Stainless steel pipe is also designed for applications involving food, medical, and other applications. Stainless steel pipe is commonly manufactured using a welding process or extrusion. The welding process involves shaping steel into a pipe. Shaping steel into a pipe shape and then welding the seams together to hold the shape. Yes, extraction creates a seamless project and involves heating a steel rod and then piercing it through a model to create a pipe. So there are 3 methods to make the pipe. The term pipe and tube are often used to describe the same project, but it is more important to know the difference. So they share the same cylindrical shape. Steel pipes are measured by the interior diameter, and various steel tubes are measured by the outside diameter and wall thickness. Other difference is that pipes are used to transport fluids and gases, while tubes are used to float parts or structural components. So what is the difference between 304 stainless steel and 316 stainless steel? Do you know, Matt?
Yes, and the 300 series grade stainless steel is a permanganate alloy that is manufactured into a range of products, including stainless steel tubes and steel pipes. Both 304 and 316 steel pipe is durable enough to maintain its strength at high temperatures, resist corrosion, and it's easy to maintain.
Yes.
The choice between material is highly dependent upon how you will use the pipe and the environment in which the pipe will be installed. Type 304 stainless steel is perhaps the most common type used because it is corrosion resistant and easy to sanitize. This type of steel is often used for food and beverage applications or in building applications. Type 316 stainless steel is also corrosion resistant and easy to clean, but is more resistant to corrosion result from chemicals and solvents. Because of this, 316 stainless steel is perfect for industrial and solar applications or outdoor or marine applications due to its resistance to chloride corrosion. And then I will introduce the alternative accounting method. Select stainless steel plate to consider the use of operation conditions such as manual or automatic operation, hot press performance, and type. Quantity requirements for processing the materials such as hardness, growth. Also consider the economical accounting. Each new placing steel plate requirements can be produced a slow quantity of the number of decoration aboard. In addition, when choosing the most reasonable thickness of steel plate, it should consider its series time, quantity, stiffness, and the plate strengthening requirements under compression, thermal conductivity, the distribution of press, the size of the plating. If the steel plate thickness is not enough, easy to bend will affect the production of the decoration plate. If it is too thin, if it's too heavy, only increase the cost of steel plate, but also to the application of unnecessary difficulties. At the same time, stainless steel plate process or make，怎么我感觉不全呢？
对，它没有，它只是一些提示词。
啊？那我读半天。
我一开始读的时候，我也是，你可以随便。
The amount of allowance that should be left when used. The thickness of copper plate is not of slope condition, but the strap can to be as condition as process in the thickness of the steel plate generally. And the copper plate is more expensive than the stainless steel plate.
Yes.
Although the copper have good corrosion resistance, but it's more expensive.
Yes. 哎，那个大管子上哪儿去了？让丽丽拿就是。
坐下。
这咋回事？感觉
好轻啊！是这个吗？
都拿过来吧。
都拿了。太沉，你有这个劲儿。
头拿过来。
走。
这个能不能切的？哇，这一头。
你这点劲儿。
这个是真沉，这应该是最沉的那个吧？
这能切，把这切的。2分钟切。
你别切了。咱这应该是那个最沉的，是吧？
这点劲儿。
还有那个亮的，
不知道自己
表面挺亮的那个。
太拿。不是这个，这有油。不是这个，这有油。
没有了。
拿走了，我那天不是拍药品拿走了，我应该
是放样品了？
我那个药品不是，他不是拿去拍照吗？
这个吧。
耶，这是个弯头。
还挺合适。
套进去了都。呀，咋还有弯头啊
？Now we will introduce the products in our desk table.
Yes, table.
Yes. First, we will introduce the pipes and the tubes. Okay?
Okay.
I will.
你需要什么
拿
东西？
一个卡尺。我就废弃了。
拿啥啊
？OK。
你量管子能量出来啊？
量直径。
量直径。
量了壁护，直径和壁护不都行吗 ？Okay. For this one, it is a stainless steel pipe. It is so heavy and the thickness is very large.
Yeah, it should be called hollow bars.
Yes, it's very heavy.
Yes, because the thickness is so larger.
Yeah, I think so. And we will measure the thickness and the outer diameter of this pipe.
Okay.
First one, I will measure the thickness of this pipe. And the thickness is 18.6
Yeah,
millimeters.
18.6.
Is very large.
Yeah.
And And all diameter is the
为什么呀？
不知道。然后之前 Rich 还不会昨天那个应该是时间段的问题。
the all diameter is 76.7 millimeter.
我想要个时间的，我一下不用说了。
拿纸下，把我那本纸拿来。
你说哪就哪。
抓紧啊。Okay, we will have a rest time and eating my dinner. I will play a music for you. And play a music. Okay. Good music use cool music. 好音乐有酷。Okay. Okay.
Our food is so delicious.
Yeah, I think so.
是吧？
对，但是没有人。
他一直没有人吗？是？
这不有3个吗？
其中有一个我。
Okay.
这儿。哦，是我发的。好，对，CN，OK。
It's me。
为什么？以前他就不行吗？
没事，只是一个平台，
有
这是活动。
因为是糖果。
那为什么搞一个？
也没有流量圈啊？因为
为
报的活动。
活动啊。
不能同时播。
可能这个平台有。
平台比较烂。
对。
你这个声音有点小呀。我给你放到了最大声。
啥？吃饭？吃啥饭呀？
你要的是辣的吗？
辣的。辣没辣？你往回那个辣。昨天吃辣的。为啥我这是有写的名字拿不出来？
不一样的很，你这个是不辣的。 这个英文歌嘛。
这不找英文干嘛？这找老外听吗？
你专门找的。
找中文听的。
可以放点中文歌。还是经典比较好听吗？
这首歌我看是不是听过？这首歌我看是不是听过？好听的意思。
我们是上了高中之后，高一，我们那个英语老师哈，他刚毕业，给我们带着我们看各种电影，是英文电影，给我们听各种歌。我们初中的时候只有课前10分钟听力练习。回去的时候，我买了2个排骨，就2个肋排，就2大排，然后是一共30多块钱一斤，36块多。我们家从来不吃猪肉，所以就不买猪肉，顶多就是买个排骨。那个猪脸儿。
为啥不吃猪？为啥不吃猪肉？
没人吃啊。
不好吃啊？
不愿意吃猪肉。主要是我俩都不会炒肉吃，你知道吗？就炒的那菜里面那个肉都是发死发硬。你不会没叫饭吧？
你吃饭？你用的没拿，你用。我小还是对，我挺头大了人。
你寻常吗？你寻常吗？
没有。
瓜炒了都吃了。
我操，这是白肉。
怎么香了？好大哥。
哎呀，这就是白肉。这鸡肉有点柴呀。
这柴呀？怎么柴呢？
感觉不够味儿。
不够味儿。你平时炒啥不炒青椒吗？不炒青椒吗？
炒青椒？这里边没有青椒啊。
挺香啊。
你喜欢吃鸡公煲里的鸡肉？我们的界面是什么样子的？看个料。
这个吗？看不见人了。
看不见人了。那我俩播的时候能看
播的
见吗？
时候可以看见，现在吃饭的时候是这样的。
那能看见这些东西吗？
可以。
啊。
直播的时候是俩人在一块的。戴眼镜看不见。戴眼干啥？
这能看得饱吗？
这不是半个吗？
黄焖鸡为什么叫黄焖鸡呢？你来电话了。给你教的吧。
大米放在烧袋里，都打好水了，我放到烧里。
你看，这还是一首完整的歌吗？
好形象这个音乐。
抖音上不经常有这种歌
就那个很火那个人。
啊？
很火那个人带火的那个音乐。
那东北叫王老五。
不是王老五，姓张。
张老五。红眼头那个是吧？我爱看。
喝。
是油吗？是油吗？
酱油，都是酱油。
都是酱油。
你吃它油吧，它没有多少油，是吧，麦克？是吧？
不懂，一看人家做个饭，很有点，还油。
在我做时间上怎么做呢？
你跟这个人播的时候也是一直在这吃吗？
对啊。
这首歌好听吗？
就
啊？我感觉这首歌很吵。
这个有感觉。
这个很温馨。开个演唱会吧。
对。
来个演唱会吧。
你唱，你会唱吗？
啥不会唱？不会唱歌。5个音我能跑5个半。
啊，那很好。
我们就喜欢听跑音儿的，你知道吗？
你会唱也不想听了。
你都炫了那个苹果。
啊？
你都炫了那么大个苹果。
你也老厉害了。
你真厉害。
虽然这个苹果没有我们的饭量多。
但是我开那么苹果，我都抽得慌。
为什么？
因为它太大了。
对啊，就是我的饭呀。
真厉害。
给你点个赞。Go go go。
浪费吗？苹果挺不差。
那不行，想的太细腻了。
OK。
OK。我这里沾上了什么东西？呀，你这开包装这么技术吗？都找不着口儿。
开了得通过来。
等我们在这儿直播多长时间之后，这个桌子上就全是油。
都倍儿香的呀，没的省量，也不发肥了那是。
你看这也应该也是滴的油。
Okay, let's go on. And just now we have managed the size of this pipe, but we have not finished it.
Yes, go on.
Go on, yeah. Let's go on. The thickness of this pipe is 我跟他说的跟他是一样的。Yeah.
没有袋子吗？外面丢了。
啥玩意？
一会儿再丢吧。这里虽然有垃圾桶，但是扔进去不大好。
The thickness is of this pipe is 18.7 millimeters.
Yes.
The thickness is very large.
Yes.
And the outer diameter of this pipe is 76.2 millimeters.
0.7.
7? Okay, sorry, it is 0.7 millimeters.
Yes. The length is as your requirements.
Yes, you can customize the length, and the length of this pipe is 153 millimeters.
Yes.
The thickness, the length of this pipe is 153 millimeters of this pipe. Okay.
Yes. Do you know how to make this pipe?
Yes, it need because it is seamless steel pipe, seamless, and it will use spring and 旋转，那是怎么读来着？
它是怎么弄的？
就是铸模，
就是一个棒，
一个不是是个模具，灌水。
然后掏空，不是一个棒掏空。
一个模具，应该是模具吧东西。
然后化了，然后弄个膜。
对。那玩意掏空那多费劲啊！
是吗？
对，掏空多费劲。油很光滑，别会掏空。铸模的。
哦，来搜一下叫什么？你说的那叫什么？
铸模。
铸模。
对，铸模无空果的制作方法，无空果。
铸模哪个铸模？这个铸。
对。
哪个模？注解了。铸模。铸哪个模？模具的模。铸模。
模。
Casting mold. Casting mold.
Yes.
And next, this one.
Yes, it.
能这完事儿能聊完了。
到那还管都别提。This one is.
This one.
我这想一头。This one.
This one is thicker.
Yeah, it's
丢不丢
thicker.
垃圾？给你丢了去。
Thinner.
丢不丢垃圾？丢不丢垃圾？
一会儿走的时候丢。
我丢，这是心里。The thickness of this pipe is only 8.8 millimeter.
Yes. It is thinner than this one.
Yes. 9 millimeter. 9 millimeters.
Yes.
And the outer diameter of this pipe is 60.5.
Yeah, 6.6.
6.6 millimeters.
Yes.
Of this pipe.
60. Yes.
60.
This one is 70. Yes.
Yes.
And this one, please.
Okay. For this one is small than these two.
Yes, you can say.
You can see.
The wall thickness is different.
Yes. The outer diameter of this pipe is 49 millimeters.
Yes, 49.
Yes, it's 49.
And thickness?
And the thickness of this.
I guess it's about 1 It's about 5 millimeters.
No, it is
Oh,
6.5.
Yeah, 6.5. But
Yeah.
similar.
Yeah, it's very similar.
Yeah. These are the cold rod or hot rod?
Yes, it's a cold rod.
Cold rod?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Cold rod?
Yeah.
Cold rod. This
Okay.
one is cold rod and this one is hot rod.
Oh, this one is hot rod.
Yes. This one you can say the thickness is has so big difference. Yeah. These are hot rod pipe.
Yeah.
And these are the cold rod pipes.
The cold rod.
Yeah, wow. You can see the difference. It's about the diameter
Yes.
and thickness. And surface you can see the cold rod stainless steel pipe is brighter than the hot rod.
Hot rod.
Yes. 这个能量出来吗？
No. Oh, this one it is welded stainless steel pipe, and for this three pipe is all the similar.
Yeah, similar.
Yeah, because the thickness of this pipe is very large.
Yes.
For this one is very smaller than this, and the outer diameter of this pipe is 15.8 millimeters, right?
Yeah. It's 50.9.
Oh, 9. Oh.
Yes,
Yeah.
about 16.
Yeah,
16
about
millimeters.
16 millimeters.
But the thickness can do it.
Yes, can measure.
Wow.
For this one, the thickness of this pipe is 0.2
2 or 3.
3.
Yeah.
Is about 2.3 millimeters.
Yes.
It's very similar.
Yeah. And we have more. We have thinner pipes.
Yes, it's very light. You can try.
Yeah. This is the pipe. 这个能量吗？这个也能量。
For this one is more small. Yes, let we measure the thick or diameter of this pipe.
这个是焊的吗？还是无焊的？
It is
这个能看出来是焊的。但那个看着像无缝的。
oh, it is welded.
Welded?
Yes, it is welded. And the outer diameter of this pipe is 9 millimeters. 9.
Only 9?
Yes, only 9 millimeters.
Yeah, this afternoon my client wants to purchase 8 millimeters.
8 millimeters.
Yeah, 8 millimeters.
It is similar to this pipe.
Yes, similar.
And the thickness of this pipe is 0.25.
25, yes.
Yes, 0.25 millimeters.
Yes.
It's very similar. It's small. It's very small.
And this one is the welded pipe. Oh, you can't see, but I can see the straight. Straight slide. I can see the straight slide inside. If you want to make the pipe, can can't see the street light, we can also do it.
Yes.
These are the pipes.
Yeah, the pipes. For this one, the length or the outer diameter of this pipe is
24.6 millimeters.
25.41水平水平。24.5度。Yeah, is 24.8 millimeters.
Yes.
And the thickness of this pipe is 0.45 millimeters. It would be used for the table, and the chair.
Chair.
Yeah.
Yes. And others are normally used for the structure.
Yes. Then we have some of large. For this one, it's very long and have a beautiful surface.
Yeah, surface is brighter.
Yes, it's bright.
这样吗？
Yes.
这个厚度应该要厚一些。
Yes, the thing is bigger. First, so we will measure the outer diameter.
上面那两个是不是？上面那两个。
量内径儿，量内径儿。The outer diameter is 38.5
yeah.
millimeters. This is the outer diameter, and the thickness of this pipe is okay. Let me say it is 2.1 millimeters.
Oh yes. This pipe is heavier.
Yeah, it's very heavy and
yes.
very long. If you need, I will salt. If you need, I will give you the simple.
Yeah, we have so many samples as you need, and this grade is 304.
Yeah, this is 304.
Yeah, if you have any questions, okay, you can please leave the questions in our live room. Matt 是不是适合跟 Donaldson 在一块儿？
为什么？
因为我感觉可能男生跟男生在一块儿更有默契，我俩还没有默契感觉。And this one is not round pipe.
你怎么回事？所以你怎么回事？
不是怨他呀。
你等你上直播你说什么？谁给你批出来？你说。
Yeah, this one is a rectangle pipe.
Yes, it is a rectangle.
Yeah, the surface is also brighter than others.
Yes, it's a mirror. It's like 4K.
4K, yes. And we can do 8K.
Yes, we can do the
8K
8K
surface. Because our partner, Alina, yeah,
our order needs the 8K surface.
Yeah, for the rectangle pipe.
Yes. For this one, it is 8K and light mirror.
这是 8K 吗？这个有点变形了。
有点变形了。
变形的好像是6K 这个也有点变形其实。
我成变形是因为这个东西。
是因为太弯了。
对。
不平。
对。
And this surface is also 8K. 但我感觉那个还不够亮。 8K. And we have all the other surface. Okay, we'll show you. This one?
This one is the hairline.
Yeah. But it cross HL.
Yes.
Can you see?
Yes, you can see the line.
Yeah.
The surface.
The lines is different.
Yeah.
these
So we
two.
have many of the hairline is simple. In this book, you can see there have many colors and different hairlines in this piece.
In this book.
Yes, in this book.
这个东西叫什么？叫
Simple catalog.
designer simple copies. Copies. Yeah, they have so many symbols.
Yes. Definitely just so impressive.
Yeah. And this one you can see. Color coated.
Yes.
Color coated is also available.
And this one is 8K.
Yes.
8K2.
Yeah.
It's very bright and have a good reflection.
Do you know this one?
Yes, this one is 2B surface. Oh, and number one. Oh, I have a mistake.
This one is number one.
Yeah, number one.
Number one is different from others because you can see the surface is not smooth.
Yeah,
yeah. Do you know the processing? Which processing? Hot or cold?
It's a hot roll.
Yeah, hot roll processing.
Yes.
A plate. Yeah, this plate you can see the thickness is thicker. Yeah, but this one is thinner. And the surface is also different.
Yes, the surface is very rough.
Yes. And others we can show.
This one. Oh, this one is 2B surface.
Yes, right.
It is 2B surface. It 怎么了？你笑个屁呢！你找事儿啊！你下半脚滑了，你吹的，打扰我。
他要吹死你。这面吧，这面好亮。
Yes, let me measure the size of this sheet. The width of this is 210 millimeter.
Yes.
And the length of this is 300 millimeter.
Yes.
Is very standard.
Oh, sorry.
I will help you. Sorry. The thickness of this sheet is 0.2 millimeter.
0.2. Yes, it's right.
Yeah, it has a symbol.
You can see this plate, this sheet is grade is SS 201. J3. Yeah. This is it's great.
Yes. There are many samples. The next one. This one is 304. the grease is 304.
Yes.
And the surface is number 1, 2. And the hot rolled stainless steel plate. And hot rolled.
Yes.
And let me measure the size of this plate. And the weight of this plate is 100 millimeter.
100.
Yes, the width is 100 millimeter.
But maybe they will want to know the thickness.
Oh yeah, the thickness of this plate is 5.6.
5.6.
Yeah, 5.6 millimeter.
5.
Yeah,
5.6
it
millimeters.
can curvy the plate, not the sheet.
Yeah. It is thinner, thicker. 这感觉这怎么跟两层一样呢？是两层吗？
Okay, yes.
Okay, these are the stainless steel
Next,
sheet,
yes,
plate.
and there for this 8K surface.
Yes.
It is 8K2. Introduce this one.
The same.
Yeah, it's same. They are same.
都是变形的。
Yeah.
能看见吗？能看见你自己吗？照我妖镜，能照到你吗？
皱的，
照不着你吗？
外面没有，
能做到哪儿？
我没看见，现在的没看见。
为什么看不见？那我们在展示什么东西啊？
其实这个产品，哦，是那个额头不去小耳朵。
啊？
啥？
不是，我们一直在展示的时候是，镜头里面是没有的吗？
有呀，但是没有我呀。
谁要看你了呀？你我这是。
你不是说反光吗？可以
对呀
看到这个产品。
看不见你吗？
看不见。
好吧。
这样能看见吗？
跑偏了没有？你这都出
你
镜头了。
都出镜头了。
这样的，这样的，不看了。
让他们看一下我们这个幕后还有美女呢。
For this one.
For this one. For this sample.
Yes, for this sample.
For this is simple.
Simple. Simple. 哎，吃了。
用尺子吗？
没吃。The width of this simple.
Width.
Width. 打不来看。Wide. It is 60.
Yeah,
60 millimeters. And the length is 160 millimeters.
And the thickness.
And the thickness.
这个直播一点都不好玩。
Is 0.3. 0.3 millimeters.
都转过去了，因为今天只有这一台电脑。
今天只有这一台电脑是啥意思？
就这一个汤姆在直播，其他两个没有。
为啥弄了堂主一个呀？
因为是活动嘛，活动只能报一个。
为啥报堂主？我也没有堂主，那我在这报半天报个屁。
俺也没有堂主，为啥让俺俩？
没有星盘。
俺也没堂主，在这报了个鸡。
报了个鸡吗？
唉。
不是，那个练习你的口语了。
口语再练这个样儿，发现。我的口语，我这都读不下去了。For this it the surface of this sample is forking and it is not but 8K.
我都快笑死了。来，量一量吧。
量。没别吃，我给做的那个也量，哎，他给我觉得没量。The length of this set is 270 millimeters.
270.
Yes, and the width is 210 millimeter.
Yes.
The thickness is 0.3 millimeter. 4. 0.4 millimeter.
看到了。
又差这个不是。
好，结束了吗？
Okay. And there also have the color coated
Yes.
of this
Golden.
golden. This one is the golden. It's like very expensive.
Yes.
But it's not really big expensive. It's like the golden, but it's not. But it is stainless steel. You can use it. Use
For decoration.
for decoration decorate your house, and it can be make the 80.
我给你翻译一下。
那先翻译吧，咱
要不然呢，你就在这学习东西吧，就当。
大家在这说。
广告牌儿。
It can be used for the writing board. AD board.
Yes, AD board.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Now this one.
好吓人！你特别你这个测试，这么亮，
这个东西叫
花纹板。
这是花纹板吗？来，花纹板。
花纹板。
你不刚才还说了吗？
是吗？
叫什么来？
有人吗？这里。Checkered plate.
Yeah.
Plate.
Checkered plate.
Yeah, the checkered plate. It also the stainless steel plate. And like very beautiful.
Yes. And the surface is also smooth.
No smooth.
No smooth.
It's very rough.
Yes, you can see. 它已经被摸的，这粘的东西。
Okay, next. We are introduce the book of the symbol.
Yes.
折不过来了。
不能折，一折就坏了。这个怎么还能被人抠了呢？这个不是个好的吗？谁给人抠下来的？
这个。
Matt。
这不。
你看它抠下来了吗？
哎，颜色合乎，就它。给这个上面。这个颜色合乎。
你刚才一直在怼什么？
我以为是这个手。
我以为你在怼，看一下大小合不合适。
我这提示怎么你没？我现在没去了，你错了。
Go on.
Go on. Okay. In this package, 我们页怎么说？这一页。Page. In this page, it have 12 samples. Most of them are hairline. Hairline is probably air surface. And it have different colors on the surface. It is very beautiful. You can direct your house. Which one would you like?
你知道这是什么
Hmm?
？Gloss，磨砂。
喷上，喷上。Gloss and this one, the left of the paper is the glossed.
Gloss the surface.
Yes, and this one is the mirror.
Mirror.
Mirror, and the others are hairline.
Yeah.
Which one would you like?
You can send us your need, and we can respond to you in
Which
the
one
live
would you
room.
like?
No, which one would you like? 你还在等着他们回你吗？
我问你，我怎么在这了？
哦，你在问我啊？I like the crosshair.
Oh.
Yeah, the crosshair line.
Oh yeah, it's very beautiful.
我说哪个你都beautiful。
那肯定。
它掉了。我还是把它。
For this piece, and
现在慢慢开始上人了。
啊？
慢慢上人了。
For this piece, it have 12 samples, and it have different surface. There, different surface and different colors than last pieces. Piece. And 你介绍一下附着。
我想让你锻炼一下嘛。
介绍一下。
Yeah, there are many different kinds of surface in this page. Okay, you can say this one are. Do you think it is damaged?
Yeah, it's like a flower.
Oh yeah, but it is not damaged. It is made in this type.
Yes,
Yeah.
It's no damage.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yeah.
I don't like this one.
I like this one. It's very beautiful.
And this page, you can say, it also has an H-line surface.
Yes, it's different between the last one and there. The black one is very beautiful, I think, and this one is very beautiful too.
This one?
I think it's not beautiful.
Not beautiful?
Yeah.
但是
你别带自己爸爸去。完。
你就把我带跑偏了呗。我搜一下复古的，复古的怎么说？啊 Rachel。
你说谁去了？
真的是 Rachel。听我给你摁一下那个音哈，你听一听。
3分钟。
声音太小了，我再给你按一个。Retro. Retro. Yeah, they are retro.
Yeah, they have green, black, and brown.
Yes.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow. 介绍一说。
这有啥可介绍呢？这是磨砂的。
Yes.
这个你摸摸这个。Yeah, this surface is not smooth.
It's very rough, but this one is very smooth. You can try it. This one is very smooth.
Yeah. Frosted. 磨砂的。Frosted.
Yeah. Frosted. This one is frosted, and this one is very smooth.
复古的怎么说来
Rachel.
Retro.
I think is the best beautiful.
Yes. And I think this is the most expensive.
Yeah, it's more expensive than
Yes.
others.
The surface is
especially
very bright.
for the bottom of 3.
Yes.
And have the partner pattern of the surface. 画不出来，所以要怎么
画上怎么说？
pattern P-R-T
我给你搜吧，还是
花纹
花纹。
Pattern.
Pattern.
Yes, it have pattern on the surface, and it use the manner and the 什么啥子
Frosted.
frosted. It use the manner and the frosted
Mixed.
Mixed the pattern.
Yes.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah. And I think these are also different from others.
Yes.
Can you see the surface?
Yeah, it have
我感觉这个很有质地。
yeah. The surface is smooth. Is not smooth. It have rough.
Yes. 你看这个，你看这个，
This one is very smooth.
这上面是不是镀了一层东西？好了，咱俩今天晚上把这本书研究明白了。
看看这个今天
啊？
研究明白。
你天天研究怎么还不会说呢？
都说了刚才说，我在后边 yes beautiful.
对呀、所以我要给你锻炼的机会。
We also have the stainless steel bar.
Yes.
The bar. And the grade of this bar is 410.
Yes, the grade is SS 410.
Yeah,
410. It is
410.
400 series. 来
Yeah.
量一下直径。
Yes. Let me measure the size of this bar. The all diameter.
不用 out diameter.
The diameter.
Yes.
The diameter of this bar is
你是拧不紧吗？
拧不紧，这个60.
上面是干嘛？
是让这种变紧。
What's the data?
啊，
你给你搞坏了。
is 60.
60.
Yeah.
Yeah,
is
diameter.
60.
Diameter is 60 millimeters.
Yes, and the length of this bar is 200. 200 millimeters.
Yeah. If you want the samples, please leave the message in our live room.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to follow us next time, please click on the bottom. And next time we will go on.
Yes, we will have the type of fighting like the airborne. Piper fighting. 管的配件儿是吧
Yes.
Piper fighting and it is airborne.
Elbow.
对吧
Yes.
Airborne. It is the 45 danger. 45度 danger 是吧 Degree 45度90度
90度的
is 19
degrees.
degrees. Used for the pipe.
Yeah. 还有什么东西？我们这棒就只有这一个嘛。我们可以介绍我们其他的，可以，是吧？
There have other.
Yeah, we have others. Not only the stainless steel, we also have the current steel, or PPGI,
Yeah,
or GI steel, and aluminium.
yes.
They are also available. You can say the patterns.
This one is the galvanized. Galvanized steel plate.
Yeah, it has no spangle.
Yes, and this one is 镀锌.
Galvanized aluminium.
Galvanized aluminium. Aluminium steel plate.
Yeah, it has no spangle.
Yeah.
来，你再介绍这个大型。大面对这一面亮一点。
So this one is have big flower,
Big spangle.
Big spangle on the surface.
这还有个镀锌美呢。
不多。
我还没怎么转。
还有5分钟加油。
美。
This one is it have good corrosion resistance is cheaper than the stainless steel plate and it have
Magnesium.
镁是 magnesium。
magnesium. For this one it have a new product. It is magnesium gun and air aluminium and 锌吧？
没有线。哎，还有线。
怎么没有锌？
怎么还有线啊？
镀铝镁锌。
锌怎么说 ？zinc。这是吧？
镀铝。
It is coated aluminium and magnesium.
镀锌这个不镀锌吗？Galvanized.
Magnesium, aluminium, magnesium and zinc.
这不镀锌，镀锌不有 galvanized？
锌是 zinc， 锌嘛 zinc。
这不会镀锌吗？
那个 galvanized 是应该是一个合成词，这是镀锌。
好了。
好，还有吗？镀锌 color coated 你还有。
Yeah, color coated and have a parking on the surface. You can come. For this one is have a red white flower on the surface and the color is the red. You
Yes.
can choose your favorite parking.
It has different surface. Yeah, coated. 粉色怎么说
Pink.
And this one, it is like the wall. 砖头怎么说
Brick.
Like the wall brick. And this one is like the
Wood.
树
Wood.
wood. It's like a wood.
Yes.
And this one is a light green.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's similar, very poor.
Yes. 来，这个怎么说？这个叫什么？这是铝，反面叫什么？
说了，不会再说。
这还有铝板。
Yes, there is aluminium.
这也是铝板。但是这个看起来质地好滑。
Yes, because it have a pattern, it has a coated on the surface. It like the PVC, but
Not the same as PPG.
no, it is the PVC.
PPG?
Yeah.
But I don't think.
真甜。铁的那个。 是吧
嗯，那你可不是。
？PPT，你看这个对不对？
那是什么？那也是 PPT 啊。
是啊是，这是绿版，这不写着绿版，这不钢板吗？谁写的绿版？
这一看就是铝板呀。
你摸摸这一面。
那这个呢？这也是。这是镀的，放了一层东西啊。
对。让临时买，去年10块买。
这是真的是
这铝，哎呀，有点儿。
哎呀。
L 米里面。
Yes, and the surface is also smooth. We have so good quality.
到点儿到点儿。
让我举1分钟吧。
很累了，真累了。俺一早上直播跟咋说话呢？俺可不跟你说，累死。
这不让你锻炼吗？多锻炼锻炼。下一次估计还得咱俩。
安娜说。
安娜一说，哎呀，麦特今天表现非常好呀。
下次再继续，再接再厉。
对。
OK。
你下次可以带新人了。
Okay. Thank you for coming to our live channel. I'm so grateful to have you guys here. If you like me and my partner, you can follow us, and next time we live, you will see us first.
Yes.
Okay, we went through all the products for today, and thank you all for watching. If you have any question, please feel visit us at the website and be free to contact us anytime.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye. 拜了，我到点儿了啊。
到点来了一个宣传。
他说什么？
俺又没套路。
真的。快继续。聊2句。
OK。
分给谁呀？16年注册的呢。哥伦比亚的，分给谁？
俺又没套路。干啥？
快打个招呼。
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our
live room.
Live room.
分给谁呀？
我们组里分给谁啊？分给谁有糖果？你看一下谁有。
Fiona, Jade, Holly, Jade, 麦克、Sunny。
你不有吗？
没有，我的给米莲，给这了呗。这个没下班已经到家了。
这个不是，这个不是这个的号，这个是后边那个人。
这个后边是啥？Lucy。那给 Lucy 呗。
Lucy 不是连续吗
？Lucy 有
他用这个的号。
啊，那就给 Lucy 吧。
给 Lucy。
给他呀。
给他。
你是感觉他跟不上了？那你就给。
应该回家了。
给帮你吧。
行，给Fiona，给他吧。我突突来8人，又结束了来了一个。
If you have any questions, please leave the questions or doubts in our live room. We will answer you in time.
Yes.
你说俺俩连个账号没有，叫俺俩直播干啥嘞？咋安排的？
谁安排的？
啊？谁安排的这是？
下次还有呢。如果你们不说谁的话，转给你们。其他天没有直播。
都转了还转啥转？
我还说，如果你们有需要，让他们去那个啥，关注你的直播间。
Follow us, and next time we will see you. Bye bye. 拜拜了吗？
结束吗？
你不想结束啊？
结束。
那我们再继续。
现在又来了一个了。
Thank you for coming to our live Thanks. I'm so grateful to have you guys here.
UZ 是哪个简称啊？UZ。刚来这仨都是不是中国，都是其他地方的。
If you like me and my partner, you can follow us, and next time we live, you will see us first.
Okay, yeah. This is Matt and I'm Alice.
Yeah.
Please remember us. And next time we will see you again.
Yeah. 行了，我姐姐，他们离开直播间了。
突突的来。
你是觉得一会儿还会再来是吗？那我们坐在这儿先别动，按兵不动。Follow us, follow us, follow us。唱首歌吧，门口。
来首歌吧，来首歌来结束这场直播。
你看你也吹，我吹的非给你吹呗。
Come on, baby。
快点唱一首歌 ，Matt。你想唱什么？我给你找伴奏。排行榜。
再等2-3分钟。
孤勇者行吗？
你儿子会唱？
会啊。
唱的过劲没？现在。
现在人孤勇者已经，他已经开始下一个了。从最初的踏山河，你会唱踏山河吗？
没听过。
你没听过？
对，干啥呢这？
你唱首歌来结束这场直播。
你都说你也都说看。
你没听过啊？
没听过。这是搁5、6年前。
这有5、6年吗？
我说这是搁5、6年以前。上初中高中的时候，应该。
来人了吗？
你完事了吗？你这。
你这不是会唱吗？
会我。
拜拜。
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 开始了，现在有一个直播，不，有一个宣传。
官网视频，我没有。